next. I've got some more bricks here. I'm just going to keep going with this and see how far I get. Follow some instructions here. Okay, so let's start with these, because this one's the easiest one to fix. To do, and there's that, and there's this piece, and then I need to do this. So this purple edge, I'm gonna go there, and I'll put 2 here. There, one there, this one's going to go here, this one's going to block that. Just going to finish this out. Put this one here, this one like that, this like this, like that. Like that. So we finished it out. Now what we can do is we can put these here. There's one there, another one here, this one goes there, and this goes here. Missing one, but that's okay because I can find it right here, and voila, there we go, folks. Getting the floor plan together there. As you can see, there's going to be some more stuff around the outside, of course, but this is where the building's going to sit, right in the center. Oh, I forgot these. Hang on. These two like this. Barrel. The barrel sits there, and okay, so that was a short video, but I enjoyed it, and we're on to the next spot.